Spring balancers are great for reducing operator fatigue, preventing tool drops, improving accuracy, and increasing workplace safety. These medium-duty Ingersoll Rand balancers have a cast aluminum body which can stand up to tough work environments, and an adjustable weight capacity with a stroke-limiting device that can be tuned to work with a variety of tools. The medium-duty balancer models have a weight capacity of 2.2 to 30 pounds, and are available with an anti-friction short cable with 6.5 feet of travel, or a long cable with 8.2 feet of travel. All models except the BMDS2 have a safety locking device which protects against loads dropping in the event of a spring breakage. Find out which balancer fits your needs best today at the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product news and updates from Flexible Assembly.